From stunning beaches to soaring peaks, Lombok is a land of wonderful extremes. Join us in Mandalika for the Indonesian GP, a force of nature.
Storming start from Miguel Oliveira.
Look at Alex Rins, straight around the outside. Miguel Oliveira powers his way out of the final corner and eases past Fabio Quartararo. He's touched the line.
Miguel Oliveira snaps up the inside of Jack Miller.
He might be having a look at Jean Zarco.
Here he can't resist anymore though, can he? Quartararo.
Here comes Jean Zarco. He'll have the inside now into turn 11, and that should be enough for him to move into third place finally.
Miguel is the man in Mandalika.